Hi? I just came from under the sun.
Yeah, just wait for a while.
Okay.
Because you are very high temperature.
Today is the 37th day of my lockdown here in the Philippines, and I am out of food and almost out of water, so I am going shopping today, and you're coming with me. See you. Hey people, welcome back to Waka Waka. This is another quarantine grocery shopping vlog. The streets are empty, which is becoming a norm in our days as lockdown are being extended. Once again, I'm grateful to be out and about. A breath of fresh air and everything feels good. For my grocery shopping, I did a quick stop at an Indian mini mart that carries some of my essentials. I did walk for about 10 minutes underneath the sun, which resulted into the increase of my high body temperature.
280 change.
Okay.
720.
Thank you. Thanks. Alright. So I just went for my first round of shopping, and I wasn't allowed to go into the store because I walked for like 10 minutes under the sun, so that actually increased my temperature. But I'm going back home right now. What has changed since the last time I shopped would be there seem to be less people outside compared to the last time. The queues are short. The government even imposed some anti-hoarding ban, which I think is a great idea, and an express checkout for frontline medical workers, and everyone is doing all they can to practice social distancing. So I'm done shopping. The next thing is that I'm going to get my water